to conduct acceptance testing on a straightening machine. The straightener is mainly adjusted here. The depth of the straightening block. Adjust the depth of the straightening block in the straightening shaft. You decide if you can straighten the cable or not. How many millimeters of wire is this? 3.0 off. You don't need to press that too tightly, right? Confirm the tightness of each wheel. You need to close the lid of the straightening shaft before turning it on. Cutter reset. Try turning it on first. Use your eyes to judge the straightness. Adjust the parameters again and test again. Observe the length, accuracy, and straightness reconfirmation. Adjust the parameters again and test again. The accuracy is still not ideal. Check again. Okay, alright. Take a look. See if it's straight. Just roll here, and you'll know. Put it all together. Put it all together. You'll know what's going on as soon as you roll. Where do you see it like this? Here's how it rolls together. There is no gap in between. Just know, it's all flat. Is it straight? You are, so. If it doesn't leave a gap in between, it's straight, you see. Do you see anything in it? Here, suddenly in the middle. If there is no big crack in the middle, it's all straight. Okay,